how to remove profile from Instagram. So if you want to remove your profile from Instagram, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Instagram app, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Now once you have done this, what you want to do is, if you want to remove your profile picture, right, you want to come to your profile page first of all, and here you can see my current profile picture. Now I can just long press on my profile picture and hold on it for a couple of seconds right here until I see this option where is my avatar and my profile picture. In my profile picture you can see the third option that says remove current picture, so I can just tap on it. It'll ask me for a confirmation, so once I've done that, that profile picture will be successfully removed, and this way I'll be able to remove my profile from Instagram. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.